Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome, Learning Machines, to this video. This is 23 days to the month, and I'm just going to show you two of my income streams right here. Crakrevenue, $98,000 in 23 days. Okay. Maxbounty right here, that is $72,000 in 23 days. So this is all free traffic, basically, and a little bit of my email list sequences I have. And that's Max Bounty. This is Crakrevenue, and I run paid ad campaigns. And I would say this is around like 3x to 5x ROI, return on investment. And I'm not going to go into how I'm doing this. I got a lot of free videos on my channel, and I just recreated the entire adult marketing secrets course, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, these are the results I'm getting right now. If you guys want similar results as this, I've reached the point in my personal brand where I'm just like, I'll show you guys updates on what I'm doing and my different results. And then if you want to get the programs, get the programs. I try not to overprice them because I could literally charge like and feel great about it and charge like over $10,000 for the adult marketing secrets course because I'm making insane money doing that. I'm recreating the course for CPA marketing and sweepstake marketing, so I want to really give you guys great value there. So I'm going to be recreating it all, and then I'll let you know when I release that. Because this is one of my best income streams by far. All free traffic. It took a lot of work to get to this point, but at the end of the day, it's consistent every day, like $2,000 to $3,000 every day. If I want to make like somewhere around 10 grand or more, I can launch a no cap offer to my email list. Okay, so that's really powerful stuff right there. I don't have email lists for adult marketing, but anyway, like I said, I don't want to overteach, and give all my secrets for free. So those who are serious and actually want to change their life, I decided if people aren't serious, they can, watch the free videos, and I got tons of free trainings on the channel. But anyway, for just an update for this month, what I'm doing is I'm uploading a bunch of past valuable videos that I basically had when I don't know, it was like a year ago, and even before that, some of the videos. But I basically have them all scheduled out, so stay tuned for those. And the value inside of them is insane, so I'm just like kind of releasing them over time. And so that's what I'm working on for the personal brand here, and I'm gonna get all those videos out. And there's a ton of them, so it may be a month or two until they're all out. And then I'll just start, posting more valuable videos and more result videos. I'll just focus on that for the personal brand, I guess, almost forever, because I know, you guys, you want that, so I'll just do that more. And yeah, just wanted to make this quick update video. It's basically the end of the day here. So anyway, for the last thing to talk about in this video real quick, I basically got rid of a bunch of my different courses and just, narrowed it down even further. And I'm recreating, like I said, several programs all in one for teaching YouTube, for teaching sweepstake marketing and affiliate marketing and CPA marketing all in one. So I'll be releasing that eventually, and I'm recreating that. But this right here is by far one of the best valuable things I have to, give you guys. So it's the Adult Marketing Secrets program. This is how I'm doing it, guys. I share everything inside this program, and I should be charging way more than this. And currently, the price is half off. I have it at $1,997, but I have it half off right now. Um, like I'm telling you, the value inside, I've got tons of training videos, extra bonus courses and training video. It's crazy. You'll see everything about it when you click the link down below. If you want to get a coaching call with me, you can get 10-minute coaching call, 30-minute coaching call, 60-minute coaching call, whichever one you choose. And I made it really price effective for you guys. So basically, I think every 10 minutes is like $97. So I think that's super price effective for my time and your time to be worth it. I should be charging more, but I'm like, you know what? Not many people even do coaching calls yet because I don't have a ton of traffic on the personal brand that much anymore, just because I'm not really crazy focused on it. But like I said, I'm bringing out a bunch of videos for you guys over the month, and then I'll advertise the channel quite a bit. I could promote my channel with my big email list and my big cash cow YouTube channel, but I don't want to have people finding out what my cash cow channel is and copying me. So I just decided, I'm just going to grow this from scratch like I did with my Cash Cow YouTube channel, which obviously this personal brand will probably never reach the size of that channel. But anyway, because that's, broad appeal, a lot of entertaining content, trends, and everything like that. And most people aren't interested in making more money. But I just figured I want to share my results. This is what I'm expert at in life, is, knowing how to make money and stuff like this online. So if you're interested in any of this, you can crush it. Let me give you more context about a few of these other things just real quick. So the done for you system is insane. Basically, what it is, it's a ton of methods and a bunch of systems where you can instantly go ahead and they're step by step to follow, and you can start getting results as fast as possible. Your first sales and snowball from there into more and more and more sales. So that's what the done for your system is. I have exclusive offers for you to promote inside. And if you don't want to promote those offers, this all applies to any niche and any vertical you want to go into. So people love the done for you system. People love the adult marketing secrets, and people love the golden ticket and the coaching calls. So I figured I'd keep all these programs, and people love the sweepstake and YouTube course, and what's the other one? The affiliate marketing course. And so I'm combining all that together. I'll be recreating it, like I said, and that's something people love as well. Uh, and there you go. And then, the golden ticket method. So the golden ticket method is insane. I've had people. I even like partnered up with someone when I first decided to release it, and he like paid me like 20 grand to learn it. I was gonna charge him like 50 grand, but he paid me 20 grand. We negotiated with, and like he's crushing it with the golden ticket method. But that's because he has it all set up for himself already. It has a barrier to entry, and that's why I have it for $97. But it has some it has a little bit to do with YouTube and doing a little bit of advertising, but it's guaranteed results every time. So it's the closest thing there is to making money, but building to the point where you have an established YouTube channel is very key for this. But if you're curious about what it is, every single week I run an ad. It takes me 3 minutes to 5 minutes to set up the ad. Okay. And it runs distributed pay. Well, you can call it distributed pay, but it spends the money throughout the whole day, distributed. And it runs to, I'm not going to say too many details, but yeah, it runs throughout the whole day, and I don't have to look at it at all. And it makes a return on my investment, which I try to do a few $1,000s per week, just because if I do any more than that, it kind of won't work as well. And if I do any less than that, then it's just less money made. And so it's guaranteed every single time. It's insane. It's not stocks. And, it's I make like 3x all the way to 10x on my money. Okay, the higher the money I spend, sometimes it can go a little bit lower, like 6x, 5x, but that's crazy, right? Every single week, thousands of dollars in profit, thousands of dollars spent. It's crazy. So this is something that changed my life because when I discovered it, I'm like, no one's doing this. This is a totally unique idea. And I tested it and it worked. I made 11x. And then the next day, I made how many x? It was like 5x. And I started testing things. I figured out what doesn't work and what does work for it. And anyone can do this. It's just you have to have an established YouTube channel for doing it. You make money with AdSense revenue. So, anyway, that's all I'm going to say about that. One of the most powerful things by far that I sell to you guys. And I am surprised I actually share it, because it's something that is just so powerful. But I realize now that most people can't build an established channel fully, and those who do can reap the rewards, and those who don't won't be able to reap the rewards. So, anyway, just wanted to talk about that. There you go. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And that's the update about everything. Stay tuned for a lot of videos just scheduled out that are super valuable. Watch them, enjoy them, share with your friends. And peace out, learning machines.